Regi AI is a platform that offers a wide variety of AI tools, from things like headshot generations to image editing as well. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, there's a whole host of tools you can use on regiai.com. You can use photo restoration tools, professional headshot tools, unblurring tools. They've even got Nano Banana as well. And they've got an interesting list of free tools as well, which you can see here. I'm actually going to be using this color palette from image tool, which sounds interesting. I haven't seen something like this before. I've uploaded this interesting image myself, and we're going to see how this works. I think I'm going to leave it at 6, so you can actually set the number of colors you want to extract. And then now I'm going to click extract, and wow, that was very quick.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So as you can see, it's extracted the 6 main colors, and I can just copy those and use them. So this can be very useful for anyone who's designing things, or let's say you see an image that has a nice color palette that you'd like to replicate, but you don't exactly know the precise hexadecimal references for each of these colors. Then you can just come over here and use this free tool for that. But also check out the other tools that they've got. I think this is a nice, simple tool that you can use whenever you're designing, just to make sure you've got your color palette sorted. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.